Hello traders, here we are looking at the 9 instruments. You're going to be looking at what the open positions are, what the closed positions are, and whether there are any potential trade setups coming up. This and more on this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Tune Arpan here, founder of Master the Markets Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders, so let me just take a look at this. Here we are taking a look at the 9 instruments that we usually look at. In fact, we include DAX as well. We'll look at it a bit later. In terms of Bitcoin, what I can see, let me just take a look. Bitcoin, what do we have the updates from last week? We are looking for the top and then bottom to confirm. So we got a top confirmation, which is a tick. This is an uptrend on a weekly time frame because we got our quantification from the smart money indicator, which we have developed here at Master the Markets, which lets us know how much move is left, otherwise known as open equity. Some of you guys might be saying, you know what is all those terminologies, Tiru? Then I highly recommend you guys actually follow our channel, Master Markets 2010, and under streams, we have all of this 7 steps, right? I highly recommend every trader, whether you're intermediate, beginner, just to go and watch this one, 7 steps to achieve consistent trading performance. Definitely go and watch those ones, part 1 to 7. And then after that, we've started another one called strategy construction. Now, nobody talks about that, and you can also take a look. All that will help you understand these videos and all this conviction that we have in taking these trades in real time, not in hindsight, in real time, and showing this to all of you, because you see, you can follow us on all the trades that we are taking under ideas under here. Okay, so all the tree closed positions, trade sets set up open. We are calling all these trades in real time, traders. Yeah. So take a look, and then of course, if you like the videos, then hit the boost icon. It will spread the truth more further. Coming back to here.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
On Bitcoin again. So I'm waiting for top to confirm which what we had in an uptrend, and then after that we're looking for a bottom to confirm, and then after that then we can start to take. But the good thing is, traders, is since the weekly uptrend phase 2 is confirmed, I can look for an earlier entry on a daily by looking at the daily bottom to confirm. Okay, so I just need to update this because bottom did not confirm, looking for top and then bottom to confirm, but this already. So now what I will do is, because when we did this last week, we were looking for a continuation move, but the bottom never confirmed on Bitcoin. If you go back to the previous recordings, look, all this bottom. The bottom needs to confirm with our arrow and our dot as well. And that is also finally helped with the VSA indicator here by the trade guided team, which we are taking in conjunction. Okay, so we've done a lot of webinars along with the trade guided team. Me and Gavin have done a lot of videos on the SMI and the VSA. Do go and watch them. It's on the Trading View Master the Markets 2010 channel here as well. Okay, right. So coming back, traders. So what are we looking at over here? Now, so I didn't get a bottom confirmation, but the weekly now has confirmed here. So then I'll go back to the daily and I will wait for a bottom to confirm before taking it. Okay. Usually we won't take the first bottom. We would take for the first bottom to fail and then take a second bottom. Usually there's a higher probability. Okay. But we'll keep an eye on this and we'll keep you guys updated. So, but for now, no positions yet on this Bitcoin trade at the moment. Okay, so I'll just update this at the moment, then we can Keep that. So looking for bottom to confirm on daily towards capturing a weekly turning point towards capturing um, a weekly uptrend phase one turning point. Okay, that's what I will say towards capturing a weekly uptrend phase one turning point. Then I will just put the date here as well so it's easier for us to understand as of 31st July. Okay, so that I will know as well, so that you guys will know. Okay, cool. So I have done that one there. Now we move on to Ethereum. Ethereum, what's happening here? We did take a profitable trade in real time. That's also on our channel. You can watch under ideas where we took it. And 70.1 points. Now what we're doing, waiting for bottom to confirm as well to take continuation move on weekly. Because if I take a look at the weekly, I am having a bottom to top move over here, traders. Over here, took out the last high, uptrend at the moment. If this turns around, takes out this high, that's a continuation move from the weekly. That's how quantifying the tops and bottoms with the smart money indicator really, really helps. Okay. If you want to know how to get hold of it, you can always contact us, message us, or contact us on client service at masterthemarkets.net. Other than that, traders, so this one is continuation move, isn't it? So that's not happening. So the bottom is not confirming on the daily, and also our VSA volume spread analysis indicator, light indicator, also saying a red flag as well here, red dot. So that's good. They're all aligning.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So I'm not getting any positions on that on Ethereum as well. Going to gold. At the moment, on gold, we have a really great position here. Open position, what we have. We entered it at 1926.40. Having a target at 2029.80 traders. We had a bit of retracement on the weekly time frame, but then we're still holding on to it, and then we'll see how this goes towards our target at 2029.80. Okay, in terms of daily, and of course, do remember we've caught this in real time, not hindsight. You can go and watch all this 2 to 8 and all that, where we talk about all these positions and we keep updating every week. Coming back, traders, let me take a look at this now on daily time frame, right? Daily time frame. Let's take a look. Let's see if this, once this bottom confirms, we can trail the stop loss, right? Or if the interruption clears on the weekly. So I will either take a look at one of these. If it continues by taking out that high, then we'll take a look at trailing our stop loss. We'll keep you guys updated. But so far, having an open position on this, unrealized profit from 1926 all the way to 1970 is what we got. It's about $43 in profit, as you can see here, isn't it? So really, really good position that we are having at the moment in terms of gold. Okay, so let's see how that comes along. Now let's go on to the British pound, GBP USD. We took a bit of a loss on this one here, minus 142. We took it on this signal here, as you can see. Uptrend, bottom to top, confirm, UTP1. Checked it on the weekly, continuation move as well. But however, we took it at a much lesser risk. And the reason for that is, I'll show you why. Because look, open equity was diminishing, right? On this weekly picture here, so many weeks in the upside, you see, and then the open equity, because remember the simple principle that price can never keep moving in a straight line. It's got to move, turn at some point. Since the open equity diminished on the phase one point, that's why we took it at a lower risk. Okay, as I mentioned, some of you not understanding all these terminologies, go under our streams, watch the 7 steps for achieving consistent trading performance. Another thing that you can also do, look at our 5-day video course, traderstarterpack.com. Okay, that will really help you hone in all these fundamentals and basics and these intermediate concepts and get you really clear what we're really talking about. Very phenomenal, strong principles that you can use, originated from the 1960s. So you see traders, so that's why we took it at a much lesser risk over here, because open equity was diminishing on the weekly time frame. Good. So that's that one there. Now, yeah, just a quick thing what I wanted to mention about the gold trade. We have put the target at 2029. Why is that? Because that is a 50% open equity weekly target. And where do I get that number from? I look at my OE stats table, which I can get from my SMI Elite OE indicator here. I take out the stats, and then I can put OE here. I can look at other things as well. I've explained all this in our 7 steps over here under the stream, so check it later. And once I got that, I get this table which will tell me the probability, because trading is all about probabilities, isn't it? It'll tell me the probability that every time I get a dot confirmation, what's the probability for it to get to a certain amount of distance. So it told me that 50% of the time we'll get to 7,500, nearly, right? 51.35. And that's what we have done. So from the close of that, which is, you can read that off the table, from the numbers here, at 1954.80, right? The close 1954.80. We've just added $75, and that is what is giving us 2029.80. Okay, so that's how we are getting that number on the 50% open equity point before it starts to turn. Right, traders. So that's on how we got the target down. Gold, British pound, euro dollar. Let's take a look at that on euro dollar. Wait for daily bottom to confirm. Again, we're looking at continuation moves, but however on daily, not getting a bottom yet. But however, I'm seeing a very large spike in volume here, so a little bit of concern that it could turn. So I'll wait for SMI to confirm, and also the gray dot or the green dot from the VSA analysis, VSA light as well. Right, so we got all of that on euro dollar. Going on to S&P. S&P on weekly time frame, large phase one move, open equity very low, as you can see, very far away from my dot confirmation signal from the bottom. Anytime could turn, so I wait for this to turn, and then after that wait for a signal to go on the continuation side because of the uptrend bullish move. Brent oil, on the other hand, traders, we did take a look at this. We had a bit of a loss from the last trade, 189 pounds that we had lost. On that one, look at our previous recordings on that under ideas. You can take a look at that. And then, but however, on the weekly, it's an SMC, right? It's what we call market compression because of this pattern that is done. Bottom confirmed over here. From that close, because we do not have a trend, we won't be taking anything alignment with that on the daily yet. Okay, but UTP1 on some of the strategies on live trading room we do take it, and this one we're actually riding it, but on here we won't be taking that. Okay, we can only do a few strategies to show you guys the power of open equity and looking at these types of cycle framework analysis. Last thing is Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we've taken a look at this as well last week. We took this trade real time in front of you guys, and we took it at here on a weekly continuation move. So we took it on the daily, then we took it on a 50% OE target, which was 34703. Hit that, 368 points, 857 pounds that we got. Right now, a bit of turning from there. However, on the weekly, what are we looking at? We're looking at open equity diminishing as well, isn't it not, traders? You see, signal came here much more further away from there. It would turn probably, and then after that we can start to take continuation moves after the top confirms and then the bottom confirms on the daily. I guess that's pretty much that. As a recap, traders, across the 9 positions, a Bitcoin potential trade, we're going to be waiting for that. We only got only one open position on gold, which is going in our favor. And that's pretty much that. Pretty much quiet on the other front, not really having any real trade setups. Gold open, and then GBP we closed it out for small loss last week. Bitcoin we're just waiting for our potential turning point to occur on the weekly. I guess that's pretty much that. I will update that all onto the trading view, like in this live trading session video. And of course, as I said, just to remind you guys, any terminology you do not understand, go to traderstarterpack.com, 5-day video course, totally free, and also look at our streams in terms of 7 steps to achieve consistent trading performance. After that, you can take a look at strategy construction as well. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that for me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.